In the last lecture, we had studied about classification and properties of textile fibers. Today, we will study in detail about cotton fiber, its physical, morphological, and microscopic structure. As we studied in the classification, cotton is a seed fiber. The fibers grow on the seeds of the fiber grows on the seed, and on each seed there are about 20,000 fibers. The fiber grows in pods on bushes, and there are about 7 to 8 seeds in each pods. Cotton is a cellulosic fiber, and there are varieties of cotton as per the staple length. It has good moisture absorption. Some of the good varieties of cotton are Egyptian cotton, Sea Island cotton, American cotton, and Indian cotton. The density of cotton fiber is 1.52 gram per centimeter cube. The length of the cotton largely varies in the region in which it grows, as well as depending on the climatic and soil conditions. Based on the length of the fiber, the cotton can be classified as short staple length cotton, which ranges from 3 by 18th inch to 15 by 16th inch. Medium staple length, which ranges from 1 inch to 1 by 1/8 inch. Long staple length cotton, which ranges from 1 integer 3 by 16th inch to 2 integer 1 by 2 inches. Longer the length of the fiber, stronger is the fiber and finer is the fiber. The length of the cotton fiber largely influences many of the properties of the yarn. Longer the fiber length, stronger is the yarn spun from it. Moreover, it gives more uniform yarn as well as less hairiness. The diameter of cotton fiber ranges from 11 micrometer to 22 micrometer. The fiber length to breadth ratio ranges from 6,0:1 to about 350:1. Higher ratio gives easier spinning. The cross section of cotton fiber is kidney shaped. If we look at the cross-sectional view of cotton under the microscope, we observe that it is largely having a bean shaped. The cotton fiber contains in the center a hollow portion referred as the lumen. The region between the outer wall and the lumen is referred as the thickness of the cell wall. Thicker the cell wall, more is the fiber maturity. Thinner the cell wall, lesser is the maturity of the fiber. Based on the thickness of the cell wall, the cotton is classified as mature fiber, immature fiber, and dead fiber. If if the thickness of the cell wall is very less, then it is referred as a dead fiber. In case of dead fibers, the central lumen portion is larger. In case of immature fibers, the lumen portion is slightly more. And in case of fully mature fibers, the lumen portion is very less. If we see the longitudinal section of cotton fiber, It is it has turns. These turns in the cotton fiber are referred as convolutions. Because of this, it is having a ribbon-like structure. If we look at the inner structure of cotton fiber, it has number of layers. The outermost layer of cotton fiber is referred as cuticle. The layer below the outermost layer is referred as the primary cell wall. This primary cell wall has fibrils of cellulose fibers which are at about 70° to the axis of the fiber. Below the primary cell wall, there are number of layers of secondary cell wall. The secondary cell wall has fibrils of cellulose which are running from 10 to 30° to the fiber axis. The direction of fibrils in the secondary cell wall changes from one layer to the other layer. The centralmost region of the cotton fiber is the lumen. Larger is the lumen, less is the cell wall thickness. Initially, the lumen is filled with cell sap during the growth period. After the ball opens, the sap dries up and the fiber shrinks and collapses to give the convolutions. Here are some questions that you need to attempt based on what we have studied today. List the physical properties of cotton fiber. Draw the cross-sectional view of mature fibers, immature fibers, and dead fibers. Describe the morphological structure of cotton fibers. Thank you.